Plasma TV repair. Power board. Check the secondary section. If you try to plug in the power cord to the power outlet, there is no signal in the analog tester. If there is a signal, then the second section of the secondary section of the power board is defective. So therefore, you must check if there is a voltage between these capacitors. So let's plug in. And check the analog multi-tester. Okay, there is no voltage. So meaning the board is okay. Okay. Ayaw na. Ayaw kaya wala signal. Pero na siya wala signal. Kaya pala siya mo signal pag mandar na. Ang uban TV basta lead nagin na siya signal. Pag wala signal daot kay ang PWM niya dili ka supply o transfer padulong sa iyang transformer. Di makaseno signal, magsento daan og signal padulong sa secondary section. Voltahe like 12 volt, 30 volt para sa iyang backlight o sa iyang chips sa iyang padulong sa iyang standby voltage. Dapat na standby voltage kani wala na sa standby voltage yung power supply ngayon nani. So yun na nga TV sa Uncle Gino may neighborhood. Okay na, so let's discharge the capacitor first. After placing the board power in the back of the TV, because it has electric shock, the filter capacitor, this one contain electricity. Capacitor stores voltage, electricity. So you must discharge first before you touch any of this component in the board. So you will be not able to you will not electrified. Okay, understand? It is an English version. Saya payog TV dah.